If you want your hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast to stay current, you have to be diligent. And the way to do this is to stay on top of trends. Here are some top trends you need to consider. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. Let's jump into the trends. More images. Images are far better at selling your rooms than words, and TripAdvisor confirmed it when they saw a 138% increase in engagement. MIT reports that the human brain can process visual information in as little as 13 milliseconds. It takes 3 times as long to process a single word. How can you make your marketing more visual? Redesign your website, social media profiles, and listing images with more stunning, high-resolution photos. The top viewed images include guest rooms, restaurants, recreation areas, lobby, map, business center, pool, amenities, exterior, and bar and lounge. Use video. Videos are probably the best way to showcase your property. According to YouTube, 88% of their travel searches focus on destinations, attractions or points of interest, and general travel ideas. Great results have come from properties who have created 2 to 3 videos ranging from 12 to 45 seconds, showing off the property's experiences like guest rooms and suites, restaurants and lounge facilities, and the location of the property with area attractions. Put a video right on your homepage where you get the most traffic. Be mobile device responsive. Today, many travelers use multiple devices and jump back and forth from desktop to mobile device to do their research and make a reservation. Small accommodation providers need to make sure their website is responsive so it automatically adjusts to the screen size of the device using it. After a break from our sponsor, I will share 11 more trends you need to know. If you would like to learn more tips and techniques for operating a hospitality property, I highly recommend you join our 6-day challenge. Whether you are operating a 1-room bed and breakfast or a 500-room luxury hotel, there's always something new you can learn, and this 6-day challenge will take you step by step through the process of operating a successful hospitality property, and it's 100% free. You can sign up below. Before the break, I said I would share 11 more trends you need to know. Mobile-friendly experience and payments. You need to give travelers the opportunity to learn about your property and book themselves online from any device. Mobile traffic currently resides at 50% of all hospitality website traffic, and innovative payment methods like PayPal and Apple Pay are making mobile payments easier and safer. If your website is difficult to use across devices, and they can't check availability or book with you immediately, you'll probably lose the booking. Keyless entry and mobile apps. Hospitality properties have seen a greater increase in the use of mobile devices as room keys, from 6% in 2016 to 17% 2 years later. Mobile device check-in remains on trend with participation from more than 80% of all mid-priced and higher segmented properties. Eco-friendly stay. Travelers today are looking to reduce their carbon footprint, so expect your guests to demand an eco-friendlier stay. They want to know that you embrace these values and are committed to a more sustainable guest experience. Green certification is up 25% from 16% in 2016, and about 2/3 of hotels within all chain scales report some type of water-saving program. Other things to consider are responsibly sourced toiletries, light and air conditioning that turn off automatically when guests leave the room, and linen and towel reuse programs. The social club. With buzzwords like global community and social architecture, Expect more lifestyle hotels on the scene. These tend to feel more like social clubs than a hotel and are designed to add a communal type feel to lodging properties where guests can take advantage of exercise classes, massages, concerts, theater, and more. What's offered depends as much on the location as the property. Before I carry on, have you seen all the Keystone HTC post downloads to help you grow your business? We add new ones every month, and they are free. You can find them at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC140. The Connected Room. Technology is on everyone's mind, and hospitality properties now and into the future will work to meet the needs of their guests. Many properties are investing in the IoT, or Internet of Things. This might include Amazon's Alexa or the Nest temperature control. Others might include showers that remember guests' preferred temperature, or digital wall art where guests can swap out family photos. Some properties might include mirrors with embedded displays where guests can play on-demand workout videos. The Lifestyle Lobby. Lobbies are changing, especially in the lifestyle hotel brands. Some properties are completely updating their lobbies and turning them into modern workspaces, and you might find that over time the check-in desk may fade, being replaced by a more personal approach. This will be done by replacing the formal check-in area with a living room-like check-in area that is more intimate. The local experience. Guests want to connect with others, especially locals. This is done by partnering with local businesses such as artists, distilleries, craft workshops, academic institutions, and restaurants. Food and beverage alternatives. While the number of food and beverage outlets per property is unchanged since 2012, the number of hotels offering food alternatives, like grab-and-go markets and pantries, have grown in 2 years, from 21% in 2016 to 31% in 2018. Are these making sense? Let me know by leaving a comment below. The Airbnb effect. Properties competing against Airbnb are expected to become more home-like in the future. Think of alternative hospitality when creating a new atmosphere at your property. The seamless guest experience. It's incredibly important to provide an excellent experience from the moment a potential guest lands on your website through to when they check out of your hospitality property. You need to consider how guests can search for your rooms on your website, how easy it is to book, and finally, their experience at your property. If something is amiss with any of these three things, your guests aren't likely to book, or if they do, they aren't likely to return or recommend you to others. Consider ways to use technology to automate and streamline your guest journey with your hospitality property so you can create a seamless guest experience from start to finish. You need to blow them away with your service. Travelers are more consistently connected to their social networks and actively post to them while they travel. Give them free Wi-Fi and personal experiences that they will share online with their networks. They seek authentic novelty experiences deviating from the norm. This is why they are the perfect match for small accommodation providers. In conclusion, don't get overwhelmed. Pick one new trend to start and then brainstorm ways you might bring this trend to your property. Consider how it will affect your guests as well as your operating procedures. Create a plan for instituting this trend, and once it's up and running, you can look at introducing another trend. Now, if you like this video, let me know in the comments section below your thoughts and if you're going to implement any of these procedures. You can support this free podcast by leaving us a review and giving us a 5-star rating on Apple Podcasts or wherever you happen to be listening to it. Every review helps more people find the podcast at no cost to you. If you know someone who might benefit from this video, please feel free to share it and make sure to hit that like button I appreciate the feedback. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your attention, and let's continue to work together to put heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. Do you have an independent hospitality property, a hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast, and at times feel overwhelmed with all you have to do? Do you find yourself doing everything from checking guests in, to marketing, to looking for the right people to work for you, to cleaning toilets and everything in between? What happens when things become hectic? Do you feel stressed? Do you find it difficult to plan for the future when your only concern is how to get the rooms ready for the new arrivals? So what can you do? You have to get organized. You have to learn the strategies that'll make you more effective. Wouldn't it be great to learn the techniques the big brand hospitality properties use and to work like you have a full organizational structure supporting you? If the answer is yes, your next question might be, how do I do this? Well, if you can make the time and have the extra funds, many universities and colleges offer hospitality training programs. Or you can learn from those who've gone through all your problems and see how they have streamlined their business. You can do this by becoming a member of the Hospitality Property School Group. The benefits of this group include helping your hospitality property to gain a clear vision, help set up your organizational structure, help set up your brand, help your social media strategy, help create an atmosphere to hire the right employees, help grow your business. The Hospitality Property School Group is designed to share knowledge, tips, and techniques to like-minded hospitality property owners and managers who might not have the benefit of having an entire organization to support them. If you are looking for ways to streamline your business, learn how to set up an organizational strategy, to hire and keep the right employees, and to increase your bookings and profit, then visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site and explore the Hospitality Property Group for an entire week for only $1. We guarantee you'll find tips and techniques that you can begin using right away to help start improving your bookings and profit. But don't just take my word for it. Explore yourself for an entire week for only $1. That's KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.